Well, you know your day ain't starting off good when your wetsuit zipper breaks. I was putting a little force on her. I think my belly might be too big. I'm gonna have to go to my waders. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I'm headed out as soon as I get my waders on. Got my X-Cal in the truck, my Stavro scoop, and I had my wetsuit on, but failed. God damn, I hate that when it happens. The guru said I'm wasting my time. We're going to go to Ocean View where the rocks are. He's been here hours and he had no target, not even one target. Road trip. Huh? Dalton. Stavro scoop number 2. Just scoop up there. I'll just scoop up there, man, when you get it up. Two crevices. I mean, a crevice and an excavator.
I said, I wish it had a gold ring in it.
Flying around today, and we got an ace, some kind of ace in the lane in the rocks too. You can tell the water's dirty, but the rocks are even sanded in. You can't even see the rocks hardly. Great big ones you can see, but the little ones that are always here, they're here, but they're under the sand. You can't see them. So you can see about a foot. See the coil? About a foot. It's about 3 foot deep right there. You can't see it. But a lot of airplanes. I bet that's the 5th, 6th airplane. But we're close to airport too, Navy. Land on my head. Look, my first coin of the day. I found it in the parking lot. There's my truck. There's the quarter, 25 meager cent. There you go, baby. Well, I'm back at the truck. You know that. I've been waiting for Ken for about 10 minutes. Here he comes. Man, it's a beautiful day, like I told you. Tide's coming in. Be over top of all that stuff in a few minutes. Look at that. Nice day, warm. I don't know if he's holding any yellow. I haven't talked to him since we first got here. He went one way and I went another. But we'll find out in a very few minutes. He got excited, left his scoop in his truck. He's using my little 5-inch Rileys. I know he's mad about that. But hopefully he's got some yellow. Be his first. Got a yellow jacket on. Maybe he's got a yellow to go with it. Stand by.
What's that son of a bitch?
He's whining, ain't he? It's one of them big seats. I don't know what it is, but it's big.
It's a cargo plane.
I know, a government.
Holder, ain't it? One of them wicks?
No. I don't know what it is. Oh man, you have got a yellow. Kenny found a nice big set of fronts.
Yeah, put this with it too.
I mean, nice big set. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, like a 5-toother. I like these babies. Some bro is saying, oh, my fronts are gone. I got that design on them too. First gold of 2012.
For me.
Looks like a piece broke off of them. It might have been even bigger. You see it?
I know.
They're rough right there, like something broke off of them.
Maybe somebody hit him in the head.
Yeah, man. They got some kind of stamp in them. They're usually pretty good quality.
Oh, they are?
Yeah. Looks like this piece was broke off the back. Cool.
How much of a piece it broke off?
I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not, but this is what me and Kenny have been doing for 2 days. Working on some chairs. You know, he's a upholsterer. My girlfriend has some chairs that she had for a long, long time. They were in bad shape. She had them in the attic. And we've been needing them. So we got them. I put all the matting on them. I put all the cushion on them. We got 4 of them. I guess tomorrow or the next day Kenny's going to put the fabric on them so we can use them at the dinner table for spares, and we'll have people over for them big cookouts we do. Alright, I'm headed home. There's the other 2 chairs. We re-glued those day before yesterday and I brought them home so Chris can work on the finish of them. She likes to refinish them a little more. She just got them roughed in now. When they get through, I'll show you what they look like.